Hi.
Welcome now.
It looks so trippy.
Hello. I know.
Why are you?
Let's look into the fridge.
Don't lurk in my fridge, you fridge lurk.
We're lurking. Magical kitty shadow.
What?
Magical kitty shadow.
That's
Kitty
creepy.
shadow. I have 6. What are they? Suckers in my mouth.
It sounds like you have like a lisp, like you can't speak.
Wow.
So earlier today, Riley had the idea of throwing one of my stuffed animals upwards, and it ended up hitting my umbrella down, and it hit us all.
And it got Kate in the eye.
Got Kate in the eye, hit me in the back of the head. Cut that out.
Not sexy.
Hey, so.
That's the sexy.
Dude, that is.
It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die! It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die! Wait, do that once again?
No, I was hanging around with zombies all day yesterday, man. God. There's a hole in my camera.
I would show you, but it's on the camera.
Like, Happy Panda. I was like, oh my God, Paige, we have to look out. There's an OJ tanker derailing on the highway. I was like, what? I had like the pink spatula of destiny. Grew the foot. What?
Why do they grew it? I don't want it to be grew. You should run with them.
It doesn't fit.
Do it again. Let's see this fail.
Jesus loves me!
So
Teamwork.
yeah, teamwork.
Okay.
She want the licks.
She's not.
Egg filler.
You like how much?
Very nice.
Very, very nice.
I'm telling you.
Like music.
And we're going here. A bathroom, a bathroom, a toilet, a toilet, a toilet, a toilet, a lamp, thingy, 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 a mirror, some towels, a hallway, a big hallway, and a mirror. Oh.